what is this, November 7th or something? Check out the color of this pepper. Look at the, I don't think the, ooh, oh my God, I just broke it off. Oh well, there we go. Check this out. This is a Trinidad chocolate Moruga scorpion pepper, and it really is chocolate, especially that side that was facing the sun. Looks like chocolate, doesn't it? Let's take a bite of it. No, that's not. It's really hot. So yeah, 600%. Numbers, they're really hard. Numbers are hard. There's another big, beautiful pepper right there. Somebody was arguing with me. I made a comment yesterday about 600%. And somebody said, no, that doesn't exist. A percent is a partial of a, 100%. So 1%, 2%. Once it gets 100%, it's times. It's like, well, we've been told that inflation is 8%. So 8% per year, week, minute. I don't know. There's no actual defined space in linear time for that inflation to happen. If inflation's like every, minute, that's pretty bad. 8% inflation per week, that's pretty high. That's not good. But I noticed over the last year, prices going up like crazy. They kind of leveled off. Their food's spiking again. Dairy's going back up. But I tried to buy a piece of steel, and it was $240 for the piece of steel. It used to be $40. So I said, that's, 6 times, 600% inflation, because they're telling us it's 8% inflation. And again, with no timeline, you're thinking 8% per year, annually, quarterly, weekly, daily, minutes. There's no real, it doesn't have any, there's no meat to that number. There's no significant, if you don't have a time period, 8% per year, okay, that's we can handle that. It's 8% per month. If it's 600, 6 times, if it's, like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's just like, it adds up. So to say that, oh, there's no such thing, I don't understand the concept of 600%. Well, Bidenomics gave us 600% inflation over a year. Well, actually less than a year. It's only November. So it's like in 10 and a half months, we have 600% inflation. They said it was 8%, but per year, maybe per month, 8% per month to get from 40 to 240. That might be right. But, I mean, I'm not trying to argue this. I'm saying it went up 6 times, or 600% increase. Not 100% increase, not 102%, not 99%. 6 times 600%. That's a real concept. It's real, and it's not theory. It's not like some, I think we can bend a black hole in space and end up back in time and travel faster than light because I know math. Bullshit. You can't do it. It's not fucking possible. But you can say 600%, and most people are going to understand that concept, okay? Just trying to get that out there. But yeah, the forest is doing pretty good. Yeah, look at this one over here. Oh, I got one pepper over here. It's got a tail on it. You got to see that. Hang on. Let me see if we can focus here. There we go. Oh wait, yeah, that plant. Yeah, this is the one right here. There's my tail. There. We get a look at the tail. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Look, it's got a tail. Now, I don't know how familiar you are with peppers, but usually when peppers grow a tail, or they have a lot of little spiky things all over them, that's going to be a pretty evil pepper. Like my little chocolate friend here. This plant's also the same as this one. Now this one's bumpy and rigidity, but it doesn't have any. It's kind of got a little nubby tail there. Doesn't have any real spikes or horns on it, but I guarantee you that's got some liquid inside, and that thing is fiery hot. Moved everything else around. This is my chocolate prima tolly or tolly. Man, those leaves are like thick and leathery. I put it a little bit of fertilizer in the pan here, or in the bag when I loaded this thing up, and I just gave it a shot of Epsom salt, which pepper plants really do respond well to Epsom salt. Yeah, these are all the ones that got tore up yesterday. They look pretty good now for being thrown all over the yard from one end to the other. I put a couple of them in bigger bags. I think this is one. That's the bag. I can tell it actually got ripped open by the dog. And I don't know, there was I think that one over there might have got put in a bigger bag, but they're looking a lot better. Maybe I should tear them out of there and kick them around the yard every week. Wow, look how black that is. What the hell was she eating? Oh, and even though these have not got very much care, look at all the ants down there. Look at the size of these aloe plants. I priced aloe plants at Home Depot the other day, a little one, or well, medium-sized one I'd call it, probably 4-inch pot or something, $10. $10 for aloe plant. Like a $30 aloe plant right there. Oh, I remember. I was going to do a video about this tree. I'm not Yul Gibbons, but you know what? I can eat a tree. See this? This is a moringa tree. This thing's really good. Actually, I see all... Oh, wait. I don't think that is me. I think a hornworm. Oh, look! Oh, my God. I'm getting flower blossoms on there. Oh, man. Now, last year when this happened, I didn't know that the drumstick is actually the seed pod on these. But anyways, look. Here, you can just grab a chunk of this tree right off of there and eat that. And it's not bad. I've been tearing the really tender little shoots off the ends and putting them in salad. It's delicious. It's just like microgreens. Yeah, I think I got a hornworm on there. But yeah, Yul Gibbons used to be this naturalist guy. Did commercials about eating trees and pine nuts and park benches and stuff. But this is actually a tree that you can actually literally just pluck off there and start eating it. Uh-oh. Somebody's home, so that's dinner time.